to salute the security in Kenya, that they have not taken a side. They have remained peaceful in Kenya. They have not arrested people who are presumed to be against the government in Kenya. They have kept law and order. Kenyans have term limits, so even if you don't want Ruto, you know when he will go. If not, even if you think he shouldn't have gone through and you are not happy, you can only wait for 10 years. And different from Uganda, where you have a situation of uncertainty, you don't know when the president would go. I want to salute the Chief Justice. Up to midday today, Kenyans did not know who was their next president. In Uganda, somebody will tell you, even 2026, we know who will be the president. And so for me, this shows that Kenya's democracy is way above most of the countries in East Africa.
I want to call for reconciliation also, because Kenyans have been praying for peace, and I want to say that the Kenyans should reconcile. You know, after 5 years, they will know who will be their president, whether the same, depending on the performance, if he's going to deliver his manifesto to the expectation of the people of Kenya. But what's after is, because us Uganda also as neighbors, we are also concerned.
The basic thing, there are several lessons. Lesson number one, Kenyans know how to forgive each other and reconcile and move on. 2007-8, when they had skirmishes, of course, Uganda suffered a lot, but you saw they have healed, never to go back into the same. So Uganda must copy the reconciling mode, the reconciling model of the Kenyans.
What is important for Uganda to learn is that we should build independent institutions. We need an independent electoral commission, not by way of attaching the word independent to its legal name, but in the actual sense, building it to be independent. We need an independent Supreme Court. But again, on the other hand, what I also learned is that it has opened my eyes to now understand the road that Honorable Norbert Mao is peddling. Because in Raila Odinga, we see a very sounding opposition leader who gets in consonance with the party in government, who gets in an agreement with the president in power. And that's exactly what we are seeing with Honorable Norbert Mao, the president of the Democratic Party.